Hey everybody, what is this Bitcoin halving event everyone's talking about? In a nutshell, the Bitcoin halving event happens every 4 years, and the reward becomes half of the previous reward. Basically, the miners will now receive a 50% decrease of a Bitcoin reward or payment when transactions have been verified or mined. Halving of Bitcoin creates scarcity and demand, which in turn makes the Bitcoin more valuable. The first Bitcoin halving was back in November of 2012, and the last one was July 2016, before this week's halving event. This halving event is when the cryptocurrency mining companies and individuals who mine Bitcoin will find out that they will only be receiving half of the amounts that they were previously receiving for the same amount of mining. This event, which happens every 4 years, contributes to the smooth operation of the system of crypto mining. Bitcoin rewards were originally set to 50 Bitcoins mined every 10 minutes or so, then reduced to 25 in 2012, then in 2016 to 12 and a half, and next week will be reduced to 6.25 every 10 minutes in 2020. Remember that the total amount of Bitcoins that will be mined is a finite number of 21 million. Once we reach that number, the network of miners will no longer be producing Bitcoins. Does Bitcoin halving affect the price? Well, if the past two halving events are any indicator, then yes. Before and after the last two halving event the price of Bitcoin had significantly dropped. Bitcoin will recover though, and in my opinion will double in price within the year. Currently, as of the writing of this post, Bitcoin is trading at just over $9,200. I expect Bitcoin to reach 20,000 by the year 2022. If you found this video to be helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. Mahalo.